Alright, section 9.4 is considered special products. We have some shortcuts that we can actually use for these problems. I'm going to show you how to do them the long way, and then I'll show you the shortcut. So make sure that you're copying these down into your notes. So the long way is to actually take 11 minus a, and since it's squared, we're saying that we're multiplying 11 minus a times itself 2 times. Then you would have a binomial times a binomial. So then you would just multiply it out the long way by using the distributive property. You get 121 minus 11a. Then you would distribute your negative a. You would get another negative 11a plus positive a squared. And then you would combine your like terms. So you would get 121 minus 22a plus a squared. And if we were to write it in standard form, we would write the a squared first. Alright, if you choose the long way, that's perfectly fine, but I want you to know there is a shortcut, and it's called square double square. You'll take the first term in your binomial and you'll square it. So you'll do that in your head. 11 squared is 121. You will multiply the two terms together. That's going to give you a negative 11a, and you're going to double that. So a negative 11a and a negative 11a is a negative 22a. So remember, you've got to multiply before you double. And then you're going to square the last term. Negative a times itself 2 times. Negative a times negative a is positive a squared. And then we'll write our answer in standard form. Highest exponent first. A squared minus 22a plus 121. Alright, you can choose to do it the long way, or you can choose the shortcut. Example 8 is not a binomial squared. The two binomials have different signs. So if you work it out the long way, you're going to do a times a times 3, negative 3 times a, negative 3 times positive 3. Combine like terms. And when you combine like terms, the 3a and the negative 3a are going to cancel out. So you just get a squared minus 9. The shortcut is to realize that the binomials are exactly the same except for their signs. When they're exactly the same except for their signs, you can just multiply the first two terms together. A times a is a squared. And you can multiply the last two terms together. Negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9. Because anytime you multiply two binomials together that have opposite signs, the two middle terms will always cancel. So you can just multiply the first terms and the last terms. Same thing with number 10. 6y minus 7 times 6y plus 7. If you multiply it out the long way, you'll get 36y squared plus 42y minus 42y minus 49. And the positive 42y and the negative 42y will cancel. Then you'll get 36y squared minus 49. Or you can do it the shortcut way. And when you realize your binomials are exactly the same except for their signs, you can multiply the first two terms and the last two terms. 6y times 6y is 36y squared. Negative 7 times positive 7 is negative 49. Alright, hope this helps with your classwork and with your homework.